Hi guys, quick video about the fact that we have XFCE and Ohmychadwm, and I've put online on the FAQ at the bottom. There is a FAQ. Since many people try to click on a button that is not ready yet, and it has nothing to do with Kiro and everything to do with the development team of XFCE, I picked XFCE Session Wayland, right? There are many tiling window managers and also desktop guys that are looking into bringing in Wayland as a backend to their desktop. And XFCE Session is one of those that is still ongoing, right? It's still experimental. They're seeing how they will implement everything. But it's already packaged, right? And who does the packaging? Arch. Arch is writing the sudo pacman -s xfce4. And inside the session package, there is something called XFCE Session Wayland. And we know about the Pitfall, but many users do not. They click on the Wayland link and they end up in the black screen. At best, they have a cursor that moves around and that's it. Our advice is simple. We need to wait, right? So we sit it out, let the development team of XFCE make something awesome. I'm sure they will. But for now, right, take the one not marked Wayland and take the other one. So basically there are 3 lines in SDM, 2 of them work. That's the message, and it's now also here on the FAQ. So if you're wondering about things, I'll put everything in the facts. If you have questions, you go to the Kiro discussions here on GitHub. Lots of people found it already. You get answers immediately. And then if there is something general, like this one, right? It's a pitfall that we have been seeing for years, right? They are developing. It's not finished. Just don't click it. All right. Cheers.